Is that a seal?
I don't think so. I think it's a plastic bag. Where you want to go? I wonder what it's doing.
I think it's like trying to sunbathe. Hope he's okay. Oh, sweet man. That's a baby. I hope he's okay. Hey, my love.
I don't know, my love. I also hope.
Oh, it's a baby, my love. We've just taken our morning beach walk and we found the cutest little baby seal just lying in the sand. Oh, he's so sweet. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today is Sunday, the 13th of August. I think you guys will soon in. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
So yeah, today is Sunday. We asked you guys yesterday on our Instagram if you guys would be keen to see a day in the life vlog, and most of you said yes, which is really cool. So today we're just going to take you along with us. We are currently at Wilderness Beach and we just saw a seal. He was very, very cute.
Usher him
Yeah,
through the
Hayden
water.
ushered him through to the ocean, and I'm so scared because maybe he gets eaten now. He was a little pup, but like Hayden said, it's the circle of life. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this vlog as we take you with us. We are just going to do a quick little walk on the beach, and then we are going to go home, get ready for church, and then we are probably going to stay in George for a little bit today. We'd like to go watch Sound of Freedom because it's finally out here in South Africa, so we'd maybe like to go and do that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Stay tuned, enjoy.
Yeah.
And yeah, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe.
And thanks for watching.
Always.
Beach is quite busy this morning. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but we are on Wilderness Beach. we came in through the entrance by the Sea Rescue, by Selena's. Yeah. There's quite a few little entrances along this beach. You can either go to, I don't know what that side is called, but there's Linky's that's on the end, like that side. And then there's another one just in between the houses. But yeah, it's a really cool beach. It's quite busy today, but Hayden and I, yeah, but Hayden and I are very lucky that we live so close to the beach and we are able to do stuff like this quite often. Lots of fish that have been washed up. Does look like a puffer fish. Just arrived back home. I think we're gonna get ready, make some breakfast, and then probably head off to church. Thanks for making us brekkie. For the delicious brekkie, looks so good. Our little shopping list, and we are ready to go. So we are on our way to church now. I made a little bit of a boo-boo. I thought that Sound of Freedom was showing today, but it's only showing from the 18th, which is
on Friday.
Yeah, this coming Friday, which is alright. That gives us another excuse to go through to George and maybe watch it next week Sunday or whenever we've got time. Church, and then we will see you guys just now. So we just climbed out of church. It was a really good service.
Shout out to Dion.
Yeah, Dion did a really good job today. And now we are just going to the mall to get our things for the rest of the week.
Going to Checkers.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the Checkers Hyper. We quite enjoy that one here at the Garden Mall. It's got everything that we enjoy eating. And then tonight we said we were gonna have
burgers or pizza.
Yeah. So we'll see what they've got and then we will decide. But we'll take you along with us and you guys can see what we get for the week. Okay, so we are back home from church and from the shops. So I don't know if maybe you guys want to see what we buy for the week. A little Checkers mini haul. So I think we're gonna have burgers tonight. So we got hamburger rolls. This is my favorite flavored water, my choice of drink throughout the week. Hayden and I are fasting at the moment, so I give up chips. So I've got rice cakes, strawberry flavor, 2 caramel flavor, and a yogurt flavor. Fix that. So got ourselves a cream for like pastas and sauces and stuff. Is it not in there? Bacon, essential for breakfast. And then I got myself a bacon and feta pizza. We like to sometimes add our own toppings to like pizza bases, and then that's what we have for dinner. So I got a bacon and feta. No. A garlic to cook with, and more rice cakes. Whoa. Hayden likes his peppers to cook with in the week. He always gets avos because he has avocado toast in the morning. And then some eggs. And then we got a meat supreme pizza for the week. So it's a little bit later and Hades was watching some sport and I had a nap. If you know me, you know I love a nap. And we both woke up really in the mood for a milkshake. So we're not too sure. I'm sure everyone in Wilderness does a milkshake, but we're gonna go have a look, check the restaurants out, and then decide where we want to go have our milkshake.
Yeah.
So we'll see you in Wilderness. We don't have the best mirror to show you guys our outfits, and the desk is quite a mess. So I'm wearing my little Mickey jersey, if you know you know. And Hades, tell us a little bit about your outfit. Minus the stay.
Minus the stay. Pair of jeans.
Nice.
T-shirt, 2 jerseys.
Nice. It's quite cold outside.
It's cold outside. It's part of my language. Yeah.
That is the beach that we went to this morning. I don't know if we told you guys, but our favorite coffee spot that used to be not up there, that's Map of Africa, but around that area, has closed. I'll pop a picture for you guys up on the screen so you can know which coffee place I'm talking about. It's Hello Coffee. It was our most favorite coffee spot, and we are absolutely gutted that it's closed, but it just means we'll have to find another one. We also really like the Commonage, which is on the lagoon. We'll show you guys where that is in a second. So we just got our milkshakes. They didn't have a they didn't have a big cup, so they gave it to us in two coffee cups.
So we got 2 of the same.
So we're having one of each now at the moment. So we're both having a salted caramel. We're not too sure what to do because there's a lot of people walking around. So we're not sure if we want to walk around the village and show you guys, or if we could keep that for another vlog. Maybe we probably show you around Wilderness. Let us know.
Maybe we go bar hopping.
Let us know what you think about that. But we are sitting here in front of the park, just admiring. The moon usually rises from there, which is really
Directly
stunning.
over the lake, yeah.
Yeah. So
That's about it.
that's about it really. We're not sure what to do. What can you tell us?
You're on the spot there.
How has your day been?
It's been alright. Not too bad. I'm glad I enjoyed. Well, I enjoyed pretty much every aspect of what you've done today. I think it's been a
good day. I'm
Good
glad
day.
we went walking when we did, so we could see the seal.
seal.
He
Yeah,
was
that
so
was
cute.
pretty cool. Nice,
Yeah.
nice timing.
It was good timing. He was really sweet. I can't stop thinking about him the whole day.
What else? Church was good. Church was really
nice.
good. It was good service. Nice to hear Dion speak.
Yeah, bit of a
Yes, you
change.
must listen to that man's voice. It's pretty
Yeah,
good.
he's got a really good voice. So his name's Dion Plaikis. I don't know if
Yeah.
you guys can maybe follow him on Instagram. I don't actually know what his Instagram even looks like, so maybe
I'll
check
see
him
if I-
out.
Yeah, I'll see if I can find his
Yeah,
name
if we can find it, then I will leave it
Link it below.
link down below. But yeah, it's been a really good day. We're gonna finish our milkshakes probably, and then the power's about to come on, so we've got to go home and cook as
some
well.
dinner.
Making some burgers.
Mhm.
And
Watch some soccer.
yeah, Hayden's gonna watch some soccer. I'm probably gonna watch some more YouTube and just chill. And then that's about it for the day, but we will take you along
That's it.
for
The rest of it.
Cool. Bacon is going, chips on the go, patties are on the go, almost ready. So we have a bacon, cheese, beef burger with chippies. It's yours, and just excuse this huge mess. Keen for dinner and our milkshakes.
Some attempt at a
Some
milkshake.
attempt at a milkshake, yeah. Wasn't much left, but we will make do with what we have. Okay, so we have washed up, had dinner, had a shower, had a bath, and yeah, we are done for the evening. So that is the end of our day in the life vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was boring, but yeah, we just wanted to take you around, show you what we get up to on a Sunday, and if you'd like to see more of these, let us know. But yeah, we had a really good day.
Yeah, I think in general it was a good day.
Yeah.
We managed to spend a lot of time together,
Which is always
which
a bonus.
is also always a bonus.
Yeah.
But in general, good day. If you want to see more, you know where to find us.
Yeah, let us
You
know.
know how to let us know.
Yeah, so like, comment, and
Subscribe.
subscribe to our channel, please. It would mean a lot to us. And leave us a little comment. We'd love to hear what you guys have to think, and we'd be happy to reply to you. And yeah, we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.